All right, question 3. It says graph the function. So we're going to go ahead and graph this into Desmos. You type in y equals x squared plus 2x minus 15 over x squared minus 5x plus 6. Let's see what it asks. So it wants to know, what is the domain? All real numbers except. So you're looking for your restrictions here. So to get your restrictions, you take your denominator and you set it equal to 0. So 2 gives you 0 in x squared minus 5x plus 6, and so does 3. So your restrictions are 2 and 3. All real numbers except 2 and 3 is your domain. Now the question says, what is the hole in the graph, the removable one? So the removable restriction, if you type in like x equals 2 and versus x equals 3. Let me hide this here for a minute. The removable one is the one that actually would look like it hits the graph. But you can see here on this graph, when I go to 3, of course, now it's not letting do it. There it is. It says undefined. So 3 is the removable one. That's the hole in the graph. 2, that's the line that the graph will never touch. So that's the asymptote. So let me annotate on this for a second here. This is the removable. We call that the hole in the graph. And then the x equals 2, that's the horizontal, that's the vertical asymptote. That's the line that the graph does not touch. It just kind of approaches. So let's put that in here. 3 for the hole in the graph, 2 for the removable, or for the non-removable, which is the vertical asymptote. Now horizontal asymptotes, it's always going to be like y equals a number. So let me hide these for a second. So you could start, I always kind of start with 0. And if the graph crosses 0, then it's not going to be in a horizontal asymptote. But if we want to move that up, right there at 1, this graph will just approach 1, but never hit it on the right side. And the same thing on the left side, it'll approach 1, but never hit it. See it? So we would say y equals 1. Now the quicker way to get that would just be to take the coefficients. Since these have the same degree, both have a second power, you just take that and you'd say y equals 1 divided by 1, which in this case is 1. So that's how you get the horizontal one, y equals 1.